Welcome to Automatrix, your go-to channel for the latest in automotive performance and innovation. Today we're taking a look at the 2025 Dodge Challenger Hellcat, the muscle car that refuses to be tamed. The Hellcat has always been about raw power, and the 2025 model takes that to a whole new level. At the heart of this beast lies a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8 engine that now delivers a jaw-dropping 107 horsepower. That's right, Dodge has pushed the limits once again, offering one of the most powerful production cars on the planet. And with a 0 to 60 time in just under 3.5 seconds, the Hellcat is all about adrenaline-pumping performance. This year's Challenger Hellcat isn't just about speed, it's also about control. Dodge has improved its chassis, providing better handling and more precise steering, making sure that this muscle car can still hold its own on a winding road. For 2025, they've also upgraded the suspension, offering an adaptive damping system that adjusts to your driving style, whether you're cruising on the highway or tearing it up at the track. The exterior of the 2025 Hellcat retains its iconic aggressive stance, but with subtle updates to enhance aerodynamics. You'll notice the new front splitter, wider air intakes, and a more sculpted hood that not only looks mean, but helps keep the engine cool under pressure. The LED headlights and taillights have been refined to give it a modern touch while still paying tribute to its muscle car heritage. Step inside and you'll find that Dodge has upgraded the cabin without losing the Hellcat's no-nonsense appeal. Premium leather seats with Hellcat branding, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and an updated 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system give you all the comfort and tech you need. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Harman Kardon sound system ensure that your drives are as entertaining as they are exhilarating. But of course, it wouldn't be a Hellcat without its insane launch control and patrol and performance pages. The 2025 model lets you customize everything from suspension stiffness to shift points, so you can tailor the driving experience to your exact liking. Whether you're launching from a standstill or carving up the drag strip, the Hellcat is ready to deliver. Safety hasn't been ignored either. The 2025 Challenger Hellcat comes with advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning. These systems help give you peace of mind while you push this monster to its limits. Overall, the 2025 Dodge Challenger Hellcat stays true to its roots as an unapologetic powerhouse while incorporating modern tech and refined handling. It's a perfect blend of brute force and sophistication if you're looking for the ultimate muscle car experience. This Hellcat is in a league of its own. Thanks for watching Automatrix. If you're as excited about the 2025 Dodge Challenger Hellcat as we are, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more in-depth reviews and updates. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think of this beast. See you in the next video.